Okay, here we are with the third part of the video, still selecting pictures. Okay, just I'm going again with some externals. Let's see what I find. This one is not bad. This one is actually pretty good. Just again, this swimming pool looks small. This one is a bit better, but not. This one is okay. This one is good. This one is kind of good. I like that. This one I don't like. It looks narrow. This one is cool. This one I don't like. It looks small. Okay, that's basically it. Okay, it's not a lot of pictures. Normally when our photographer make a shooting of a house like that, it takes approximately like 500 pictures, and normally we select 100 to 120, something like that. In this case it's a little bit less, so I should go here with picture number 4, and then okay, I am done with my video. If you want to know more about the job, technically how to do this job and how to make money with this job, and how to make good money actually with this type of job, there's my technical videos, okay, where I'm explaining you step by step okay, how exactly you should do this from day 0, basically, starting from scratch. And even though you don't have like super specific preparation and skills, obviously it's always important that you know about marketing, about you don't need to know about real estate really. It's pretty easy. You just need to have a good taste in general and select the correct properties. But of course, I'm explaining you even how to select the right properties, in every area of the world, basically, and which are the guidelines that you need to follow, in order to have the right selection, because that's basically everything, just have the right pick. Okay, take care, guys. You have a nice Sunday. I still have some work to do with this property. I have to create another property later, so maybe I'm gonna do another video and show you how I'm creating a property in Channel Manager, and I'll get back to you probably in 1 hour or so. Okay, it's like 5:40 p.m. in Tenerife, and I'm going probably to work till 10 p.m. today. Okay, just because it's Sunday, of course. Okay, you take care, guys. Cheers. Peace. We talk soon.